Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today, but you know my style. One bag and what I gotta continue giving them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with the saga with Suki and Peter. You see me, I say, cause you know what there, yeah, him came out lashing at her hard because she did in the video with the 1 foot man. You see me, and him never really the two like the exploitation with as you can see on the screen from his original post. That's why the people them are drag him cause they like saying, you know why 1 foot man can't have fun. You see me?
Okay, everybody keep on hitting me on my phone telling me about somebody named Cassia K. She's posting me something about a video that I repost because I didn't like what I saw. I saw a girl shooting a music video and she had a bus parked in front of her with some people on it. And I could just hear the director in the back saying, "Back up on the one-legged man. Jump in right now, one-legged man." And then she was funny to me. And I thought it was crazy that, I don't know if the person was a dancer, if she's a rapper, because I don't know who that is. But for the fact that they thought it was cool to put the one-legged man in there, and knowing that little girl was going to see the video, I was a little bit perturbed by it. Okay? But I guess, a hit dog holler. You know what I'm saying? First of all, I'm Jamaican. Born in Jamaican. 1 second, sweetheart. Born in Jamaica. Okay? In Kingston. All right? Real Jamaican. All right? And I knew that was probably in Jamaica when I made the comment. The comment wasn't about the one-legged man. The comment was about the fact that they need to put a one-legged man in a music video for it to go viral. I thought that was whack. Okay? All right? And as far as you've been to my restaurant and you don't know if broccolini is a real vegetable, because they probably don't sell that where you at, or where you live at. I would know you. Okay, but broccoli is a vegetable. In case you didn't know it, it's broccoli and broccolini. That part. So I'm sorry. Maybe you could use this response to go viral. Okay, but the ugliness wasn't towards you. The ugliness was towards the director or the concept developer for that music video. You don't need a one-legged man in your video to go viral. As you do some skin out. As you do some skin outs with that, you don't need that. Alright? Them Jamaicans got you looking fucked up, and I'm Jamaican, and I was just calling them out. That's all I was doing. See ya.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you agree what he's saying. This was the caption that went along with that video. You know, he's saying he's a real Jamaican because, Suki and them, claim to be Caribbean. Well, I mean, I know, people. But let's take a listen to Suki's response that made, Peter put out that video. Yeah, you see me, I said.
Yeah, I want to know who the Peter man is and why he got my name in his blood clot mouth. Don't talk or go ahead and send this message to him. Peter Guns, Peter Brad, Peter, the animal people. I don't know who he really understand why he posted me dancing on this man and said that's why all y'all going to hell. First of all, you bald. You need to worry about that restaurant that went to hell. Now, I've been trying to spare you, but I don't understand what me dancing on a man who only got one leg got to do with going to hell. Oh, you saying that he can't dance? He can't get no coochie? Bitch can't dance on him? That make me know everything I need to know about you, because you judging people that's missing limbs. Ain't nobody judging you for missing hair. Tell we decided to go to that funky restaurant that you got. First of all, let me tell you something. Black people don't like broccolini. Thought that ain't no real vegetable. What the
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Those of you who's not subscribed to my King Mixo channel, I suggest you do so, because we've been dropping the Ivany updates over there. So, so much has been going on. You know that she has got over 50,000 US dollar to put towards her, lawyer fees, you feel me? A 3 lawyers she need. And she have 2 court dates coming up, one next week and one I believe in May. You feel what I mean? Swing over there and hear what go on for not to go on, because you know who we put out restraining order on her and all of these things, trying to prevent her from seeing her son eyes. You see me, I say, which is not nice. You know what I mean? You know, the IG lawyer did a follow up on her case as well. You see me, I say, so subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I try to latest and dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.